The tourism department says it might scrap the plan to bring all contestants to Oslob next month, but it insists it wants to feature whale sharks as assets to the country's biodiversity.
We had a series of meetings with the local government of Oslob, and they told me na maganda na, manageable na daw ang whale shark encounter nila. They assured me of that. I'm a diver, so basically I am for marine protection, marine life protection. So I also know naman kung paano. But then, of course, I think may mga ganyan talaga hindi maiiwasan eh. Basta ako gusto ko lang ma-feature yung whale sharks, but of course we'll do it in the proper way na.
Oslob Mayor June Tumulak Jr. also defends the whale watching activity. He says it is a source of livelihood for residents. The Cebu province also gets a share from the proceeds, but Mayor Tumulak adds they make sure proper measures are followed.
Doon naman tayo kuan diha nga kana bitong doon naman ay gipahigayon nga briefing before nga mo adto sa kuan mo interact ang ato ang mga bisita dito. So doon ay mga gikuha nga distansya, gikan sa whale shark, mga 4 meters. Niya dili sila mo gamit o kanang camera nga doon ay plus. So niya doon na po yung mga tao na to dito nga dive nga tanaw yun o kung sige pamuhat dito sa mga nananaw sa whale shark.
Our Mitzi Bormeo sat